Alright guys, so what you need to make this pillow is a pillow form, some 505 spray, some fabric for the borders back and the envelope backing and things like that, and then your piece of fabric that you're going to embroider on. I have hooped one piece of tearaway stabilizer. I have my piece of fabric that I'm going to put my flamingos on, and I have ironed on the back of this woven fuse 2. Just because there's a lot of stitches and I don't want it to pucker or pull in any way, I just want to double reinforce it. So that's what I got. I've got it centered in my hoop. I got it pinned in. I used the 505 spray to hold my piece of fabric down. Alrighty, so let's head to the machine. Alright guys, here it is. It's embroidered. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to remove it from the hoop, but you want to make sure to keep your stabilizer on. Well, honey, what do you want? Go now? Okay. Go. Go out. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut all these threads on the top, the jump threads that need to be clipped. Let me apologize ahead of time if my head gets in the way. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over to the back, and I'm going to cut the bobbin threads on the fringe. I'm going to come up here and see so you can see what I'm doing. I'm cutting the bobbin thread on the fringe. I'm going between the thread and the bobbin thread, end of the stabilizer. And I'm cutting it all. So you can cut some, fringe some, or you can fringe it all, whatever works best for you. I just do some and work myself around it. I do a little cutting, a little fringing. Take your time though. Okay, so let me show you the ones I'm cutting. Do you see the white pieces here? Right here? Oh wait, the camera will focus. There we go. The white pieces here, that's the bobbin threads. That's the ones I'm cutting. Alright guys, I don't think I got all of them yet, but I'm going to continue on with the pillow just for the video's sake. So there's what mine looks like. I have removed my stabilizer from the back. Okay, so what I have here is 2 pieces for the top and bottom, 2 pieces for the sides, and my 2 pieces for my envelope backing that I have double folded down and pressed a hem. Okay, so I'm going to take that to the sewing machine and sew that. Alrighty guys, here we go. This is my pillow front. Here's my 2 envelope backings. I have squared mine to 18 inches because that's the size pillow that I'm using, 18-inch square. I measured from the inside out and made sure that it was all centered, everything was great. Okay, so now I'm going to take my envelope backing. I'm going to lay it here with my folds towards the middle, and I'm putting them right sides together. I'm going to put these right sides together. My two folds are in the middle. And I'm going to get my clips. I'm trying to get my clips. There we go. So I'm going to take my clips and I'm going to clip them all the way around. Alright, so now I'm going to take this to the machine. I'm going to sew 1/4 inch all the way around. I'm going to trim off my corners, turn it inside out, and press it, and we'll be done. I'll be right back. You cannot tell me that is not the cutest little pillow in the whole wide world. I love it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.